I am not a gatekeeper. All right, so here's everything you need to know about trends when it comes to day trading. Make sure to watch the second half of this video where I explain trends, but in Fortnite terms. When you're talking about trends for day trading, you're often talking about what the market's been doing for the last couple of days and if not even weeks. So there's three kinds of trends or market conditions when it comes to day trading. The first one is uptrend, second one is downtrend, and the third one is consolidation. Starting with an uptrend, that's pretty much when price is making higher highs and higher lows, and then higher highs and then higher lows. And it looks something like this, and people often refer to this as price or its stocks or the markets being bullish. And the exact opposite of an uptrend is a downtrend, which is where price makes lower lows and lower highs and lower lows and lower highs. It looks something like this, and this is where people often call price or stocks or the markets bearish. And lastly, you have consolidation, which is where price isn't doing anything, it's just trading sideways, and that looks something like this. And you do not want to be in the markets when price is consolidating. Now, let's explain this in Fortnite terms. This is what I use to teach people trends in Fortnite terms, all right? You get into the match with 100 HP. You jump off the battle bus to your point of interest, get into a gunfight, and you're the better player, so you win that gunfight, and you're able to get a shield potion or a med kit and heal up to 150 HP. Rinse and repeat. As you're going about the game, you bump into another enemy and they get your health down to 50 HP. And then the same thing happens. They drop some shield potions, some med kits, and then you heal up to 185 with some shields, of course. And then you get the same thing, 60 HP. You see how it's a constant uptrend? The 50 in this would be a higher low. The 150 in this would be a higher high because this 150 is higher than the last previous high of 100. This 50 HP is a higher low because this low is higher than this low. And this would be a downtrend. You start the match at 100 HP, you pop some shields to get to 175, all right? A big pot and a mini. You get into a gunfight and they drop your health all the way down to 80 HP, but you're the better player, so you win, but now you don't have as much resources, you don't have any more shield potions, but you have just enough to get you to 125, all right? You popped a med kit and a mini. You get into a fight again and they almost kill you to 25, but now you don't have any more shield potions, so now you can only get back to 100, rinse and repeat. You see how it's just getting progressively worse? The 80 HP would be a lower low and the 125 would be a lower high because this high is lower than this high and this low is lower than this low. And this is consolidation. As you can see, you get into the map, pop some shields, run around, get shot, pop some shields. You're not really getting into fights, you're just running around taking bullets, just going sideways.